Preparing your property for a wildfire requires creating an intermediate zone that is lean, clean, and green throughout the fire season. The intermediate zone covers all areas within 5 to 30 feet from the furthest exterior point of your house. For proper wildfire protection in this area, remember to clear vegetation from fences, sheds, and play structures. Keep lawns and grasses mowed to a height of 4 inches and make sure to water the lawn and vegetation regularly to keep them from becoming dry. Shrubs in this zone should be broken up into small clusters to reduce the continuity of fuels. Remove vegetation from under trees and prune limbs to a height of 6 to 10 feet. Remove branches that overhang or touch the roof of your home. Space trees apart to a minimum of 18 feet between crowns, increasing their distance as slope angles increase. For more information on how to prepare for wildfire, visit mtfireinfo.org.